Hey, hey, I'm on vacation every single day.
सब लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं मेरी बोर्ड बनाने में ताकि मैं कल लेके जा सकूं इसको जाफना. Look at this, my hostel people love it. Nice. There you go. और वो सारे वहाँ पे हैं. And this Malacca.
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 Malacca, my friend.
My friend, are you gonna make something creative?
It's not my Malacca, it's my deer. My fucking deer, man.
Man,
I love you, dude.
I love. Yes, no problem, guys. आज हम हाई हिचाइक कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं श्रीलंका के एक छोटे गांव सिगिरिया से जाफना की तरफ, क्योंकि हमारी फेरी है इंडिया की तरफ. And look at the sign. क्या हम कर पाएंगे ये चैलेंज? जाफना वेट कर रहे हैं कोई रोड पे, शायद कोई भला इंसान हम दोनों को जगह दे दे अपनी गाड़ी में. I'm on vacation every single day. I'm masturbation. Okay.
It's crazy. We moved 10 seconds and 4 cars came. Now nothing again.
What if we don't make it? Do you think?
No, there's not this option.
We made the sign. Hey, show the sign. Hey, show the sign. Hey, no one is in. Oh, maybe. Ah, fuck, he slowed down for no reason. The tractor.
Would be a bit too slow.
Bro, but like still, I'll take it.
I got it once, a tractor.
Hey, show the sign.
No, there's no room for us. Not this big boy.
No, शायद हमें कोई मिल गया भला मानस हमारे लिए कोई रुक गया. एक शायद. Oh my days, let's go.
No. Ah, you're pick me. No, this is hitchhike.
Hitchhike.
Taxi.
But if you need company, stop for a good time. Yeah? Okay.
Bye.
Fail.
He works for picking.
Failed again. अब ये कब तक करना है? अगला 1-2 घंटे तक करेंगे, उसके बाद अपन पकड़ेगा बस और फिर जाएंगे सीधा घर. पर ये एडवेंचर के लिए I'm in for the adventure. No money. No money. Everyone wants money. We're doing in Asia. We're not doing in Europe. We might be getting a lift. Hey, bro, stop. Hello.
You speak English? Yes. We eventually go to Jaffna.
Jaffna?
Yeah, but it's also Kayanura da Pula, this direction.
Yeah.
You go in this direction?
Right, man. You far, not far.
How far you go?
I think 50 kilometers.
Yes,
It's okay.
yes, okay. 50 kilometers. Hey, we got the first ride.
Okay. Imagine he leaves.
I will kill him. If he
Look what a
leaves.
beautiful one we
Oh,
got.
we have a beautiful truck. Hello, Mamma Mia. Guys, हमारे को मिल गया ट्रक. Hitchhiking के लिए जाफना. We're gonna hitchhike here. अब भैया सामान रखवा रहे हैं हमारा. Okay. हेलो. संपत हमें लेके जा रहे हैं 50 किलोमीटर. मैन, हमारा कुछ तो मिल गया. Bernardo, is it an achievement? Less than 30 minutes.
It is.
Something. You know, you can kidnap us right now.
Sorry?
You can kidnap us if you want. Kidnap.
No. I'm good man.
I don't need to kidnap homeless people.
Hey, we're getting kidnapped in the Sampat train. Send help.
Who's there? Your friend?
This is
video.
a video for me.
From where? From there?
From
India.
For you, yeah, for India.
For Indian friends.
For Indian friends. Say hi to Indian friends.
Okay.
Hello, hi Indian friends. संपत is from Kandy, श्रीलंका का legend, जिसने हमारे लिए इस तड़पती हुई गर्मी में इस बस को अपने को रोका है. Love you. Sampath, the local legend, got us Sprite. Cheers, my friend.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
The first hitchhike. It's disgusting.
Yeah, I hate Sprite. But,
hey, it's with love.
I'll sip it in front of him.
Yes. Why do you hate Sprite?
Because I taste it.
Hold my camera, I'm gonna do a reaction.
Actually, I think that the reason why I hate it is that I always mix it with vodka.
What's
so
wrong with you? What's wrong with your brain?
A lot of stuff. No, I always mix it with vodka, so every time I drink it, it reminds me
refreshed.
of disgusting taste.
It's refreshing.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, take mine.
No. I'm not taking. Man, Sampath, what a legend. अब हम अनुराधापुरा पहुंच चुके हैं. तो 50 किलोमीटर हमने अपनी जर्नी में कवर कर लिया है. अराउंड 180 और कवर करने हैं. और ये है अनुराधापुरा. मैंने व्लॉग लगाया हुआ है इसका भी. दोबारा से मैं अनुराधापुरा में आ गया हूँ. नाइस. बराबर ना दो देर. और हमारे को दोबारा से एक गाड़ी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी जो हमें होपफुली थोड़े और किलोमीटर लेके चल पाए. बस संपत, माय मैन, व्हाट अ मैन. उसने हमारे लिए ड्रिंक बाई करी. उसकी ट्रक में एयर कंडीशनर था. इट वाज अमेजिंग. स्टॉप. 190 किलोमीटर बाकी है. स्टॉप इन श्रीलंका. हिचहाइकिंग. ये मलाका. 190 किलोमीटर कर पाएंगे या नहीं. साइन 2 people in Sri Lanka and lots of hands. Ride number 2.
No, we want hitchhike.
Sorry?
You know, hitchhike like this, meet new people and go for free.
Yes, actually, I'm not going so far.
You're not going far.
Yeah.
Where do you go?
I'm going Salipura.
Salibura. Let me see. Maybe it's a bit.
Hello.
Every little bit is helping.
Okay. No problem. No problem, Sri Lanka. Okay, but first this. Okay.
Only 6 kilometers. Maybe to Rambewa. You go there?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, train. Yeah.
No, but
Okay. No problem. Okay.
Can you take us 6 kilometers? Is okay?
Alright, second one. Alright. Okay, bye. सेकंड गाड़ी मिल गई है और यहाँ पे भैया ये परेशान कर रहे हैं मेरे को. अरे अब जाओ. Yes.
Every little bit is helping.
6 kilometers is good. Second गाड़ी. Bernardo, help me.
You know that how much you can.
Yeah. It's a big one. Thank you, sir.
Maybe here.
Keep the things and where your space.
Okay, मैं बैग यहाँ रख देता हूँ.
Little by little we will get to Jaffna.
Bro, what do I do about this guy though? Okay, bye. Okay. आज की दूसरी हाइक.
Some of them in Napoli like that around.
Yeah. I'm from Florence.
Florence, yeah. Italy is a beautiful country. And as well India also.
India is nice, man. Yeah, very very nice. Big. Have you been? Have you been there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not yet. And I saw an Indian photos. And previously I have been in pound sticker company in Sipla.
Yeah.
Our principals are Indians.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have a good friend, Shreyas Kaushik, and he's also very friendly.
Nice, man. Brother.
This is the second car we get today.
Yeah, second car.
Really?
Yes, and now it's a long way to Jaffna. Probably 10 more cars.
In Moscow, yeah. There is you have to go nearly 200 kilometers.
200 kilometers.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can make it.
Yeah.
So,
I think you can definitely you can make it.
Brother, with your energy, we will. Thank you very much.
Okay, sure.
First car from.
And bye. This guy was amazing, bro. Very good conversations about Buddha के बारे में, उसकी मम्मी के बारे में बता रहा था. 6 किलोमीटर में बहुत कुछ जान लिया। बाय मलाका, बाय। एंड माई डांस ब्रदर, माई डांस फॉर यू, दिस इज माई डांस। बाय बाय। यस, 3rd नंबर। Oh, is he going there? Fuck yes, bro. हमें जिस शहर पे जाना था ना, ये वहीं लेके जा रहा है हमें, तो हम बहुत क्लोज आ जाएंगे अपनी मंजिल से। That is so nice. 3rd one done.
Thank you, brother.
Okay. How do I do it? Can I put it in the car?
I think you can put it here.
Okay. नींद आ रही है, पता नहीं ये कब आएगी ये बस कह रहा हूँ कार। अरे रुक जा यार, नहीं रुका यार ये बंदा, कोई रुक रहा। ओए 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 ओए, स्टॉप स्टॉप स्टॉप। उनको लगता है कि मैं इनको हेलो कर रहा हूँ, अबे मेरे को हेलो नहीं करनी है, गाड़ी रोक साइड में ताकि हम बैठ पाए। हम लोगों ने एनालाइज सिचुएशन करी और हमें डिसाइड किया कि हमें बस स्टेशन से थोड़ा सा मूव हो जाना चाहिए दूर। देखिए कितनी बड़ी बड़ी बस आ रही है, that was a truck. Anyway, तो अब थोड़ा सा दूर आके जब थोड़ी सी खाली जगह हो जाएंगी तो शायद कोई भला इंसान हमारी हेल्प करने रोके। नो प्रॉब्लम श्रीलंका ब्रदर। और शायद कोई रोक दे हमारे लिए, पर अभी तक तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं दिख रही है। पूरा बर्नार्डो माय फ्रेंड, दिस इज अ गुड स्पॉट, आई लाइक इट, वेरी गुड स्पॉट। I love the spot. Put it up. Set the camp. This is the base. Unfortunately, कोई गाड़ी हमें नहीं ले रही थी तो हम बस में आ गए। Finally हम जाफना पहुंचने वाले हैं अब थोड़ी देर में। मैं और बर्नी ये रहे मेरी बस।
This would have been a fantastic place to get down. We are next to the hostel.
Oh, is it this one?
Yeah, but it's going somewhere else. We should have gone now.
Okay, let's go now. The next one.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out. अब टाइम आ गया है बाहर निकलने का। बाय बाय।